What's good, YouTube? It's your main man, Shem.
Goddamn, what time be alive? It's young Deadeye.
And this is Pimp Daddy Cat, and we are back together and better than ever.
Drum roll, nigga.
I'm using that as flaws, nigga. I'm using that as flaws.
Oh, what's
Hey,
it
Sonny
called?
What kind of
here.
scarf is that?
Givenchy, nigga.
It's Da Vinci, nigga.
Givenchy, same difference. Tomato. Anyways, we're doing a beach day today. It's called Stay Afloat.
No. Build a boat. Stay
Build a
afloat.
boat.
Hit that like button, subscribe.
But when I'm done, I'm gonna rise into my yeah, we don't have to cut the cake.
Aw, man out.
So let's go.
3, 2, 1. I choose first.
Jeremy goes first.
Build a boat, stay afloat.
The first item he
Build a
gets
boat, stay
is
afloat.
Bubble wrap.
That's mine, nigga. Build a boat, stay afloat.
and
Plastic bin.
Really, nigga?
Can we
so,
quit?
so he gets a bubble wrap and a plastic bin to build his out of.
Rock, paper, scissors. Build that boat, stay afloat. Was that right?
Yes, that would.
We'll just go for it.
Ooh, come on,
Build
man.
that boat, stay
She gonna get some
afloat.
trash dipping.
Yeah.
Noodles!
Build that boat.
I got the
I quit.
noodles.
I quit right now.
You might get balloons, Sam.
Balloons. Balloons.
I might get
Balloons.
balloons. And balloons.
Oh my god, Sam, what are you at?
I'm gonna let y'all know what I got.
Styrofoam cups.
Styrofoam cups. And cardboard box.
Man, this is way fucking.
Alrighty, y'all, so we are going to build our boats now out of the freaking materials that we got. To do so, let's get to it.
But when I'm done, I'm gonna rise into my yeah, we don't have to cut the cam, they just pictures. It was only for the night, girl, I get ya. I ain't finna bang on your line like I miss ya. But when I'm done.
Oh yeah, it's definitely over for y'all.
I think not. I feel like mine's gonna float the best. For actually being honest, mine's gonna float the best.
And if she bad, then I gotta double back, yeah. And if she flame, then I gotta relapse, yeah. That's a bucket and a six, check my stats, yeah.
Alright, y'all, we're in the middle of our building boats, and we're gonna see what everybody got. How far are we? Alright, check out her idea. Okay, she cut the noodles in half in the middle, and on the side she didn't. Okay, and over to my brother. Okay, let's see what he's working with. Ooh. Let's see, he put the lid on the side. Okay, let's go to mine. Okay, I know it don't look like much, but when it's done, just watch. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna be the one that wins this game.
Alrighty, so we are all officially done with our boats. So let's check them out. So this one is mine. Yep, so you know, you can already see who's about to win. I got the balloons and I got the noodles, the pool noodles. This is Sam's.
Ooh, I know, that's what
He got cardboard and cups, styrofoam cups. So, and then the last one is Jeremy.
My nigga,
Germ got the plastic bin and the bubble wrap. So those are our things. Our boats. Let's see who is gonna stay.
hear me winning.
I get ya. I ain't finna bang on your line like I miss ya. But when I'm done, I'm gonna pass it to my.
This is cheating. Oh, no!
Okay, ready? Set. Whenever you hit the water, that's when we'll go. Or when you hit your boat.
Wait, should I sit on it like this? I'm gonna sit on it like this. Wait, no, I can't get on it like that. Oh my god. Alright, here we go.
Ready? Go.
Hey, no, I feel like mine's gonna float the best. If we're actually being honest, mine's gonna float the best.
So, we will definitely stop the time as soon as he got in.
No! No!
That did not float at all.
You duct tape! Oh, man. I'm gonna tell y'all.
This is a beneficial production.
Too much been going on, my life just took a turn for worse. If I'm
Alrighty, well then, Jeremy is obviously going to stay up, so I'm gonna go now. No, I'm floating, bitch.
You're actually in the water and I'm not, so
No.
technically I would. Yeah,
No.
Be real with you. Be real with you, nigga.
No, I'm
If I could fit in this whole thing, deadass, I would win. Because your body, your shoulders.
No swimming, cat.
Cat, you're cheating. You're cheating. You're cheating.
Alright, so obviously we know who won the challenge. It's a great day when the Coles upload.
We're not doing that.
too much been going on, my life just took a turn for worse. If I'm changing anything, my grandma out the dirt. Stressing on anxiety inside of me at first.